When you call your readily available local dumpster consultant with Been There, Dump That, they'll walk you through a simple process to get a dumpster delivered to your driveway within 24 hours of ordering, or possibly on the same day. In fact, stay tuned for 20 reasons why Americans rent dumpsters from Been There, Dump That. 1. We've been perfecting the dumpster rental process since 2001. 2. We have 100 plus franchises across the United States. 3. We utilize a proprietary dumpster tracking system to assure your dumpster is delivered and picked up when you want it. 4. We diligently train dumpster consultants across America to always answer the phone promptly, listen respectfully, and suggest solutions professionally, because we understand every project is unique. 5. There are over 2,000 Been There, Dump That dumpsters that can be found across America. 6. There are over 1,000 5-star reviews for Been There, Dump That on Google, websites, Facebook, etc. 7. We were featured as a clue in the New York Times crossword. 8. We show up when promised, saving you time and stress. 9. We're the only dumpster rental provider trusted by the Property Brothers, Military Makeover, and Love It or List It. 10. Our vehicles, bins, and dumpster delivery experts are always clean and professional. 11. We have repeat homeowner customers that rent a dumpster from us every year for their spring cleaning project or other home projects that require the need for a dumpster. 12. The bin fits into the driveway, saves labor and time, and usually allows you to park your vehicle inside your garage. The footprint of our containers is relative to that of a minivan. 13. We work with national contractors across the United States on home remodeling, disaster relief, home building, home repair, and home organization projects. Some of these contractors include PuroClean, ServiceMaster, ServPro Alair Homes, BP Environmental. 14. Been There, Dump That franchise operators are involved in national and local organizations like NARI and their local home builders associations. 15. Once the bin is full, simply call us and we will return at a prearranged time to remove the bin. 16. We work with outstanding organizations within our local communities like Habitat for Humanity and Tucker's House. 17. We hold a conference every year to discuss improvements to our customer service protocols. We believe there is always room for improvement. 18. Several of our franchise locations have been honored with Angie's List Super Service Awards. 19. We always place down boards on your driveway to assure the dumpster never scratches your property. 20. The driveway area is swept before we leave, showing respect for your property. Contact us today for any questions and we'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.